Watch the spacing on the belt. Got it. Rolling the next one now. Clear. Keep them steady. Keep the flow consistent. Looks good. We're almost full.
Okay, the truck is almost empty. Yeah, loader's ready to clear the pile.
Careful with the hook there.
This one is ready for the conveyor.
After initial inspection, the tires enter the wash tunnel, where high-pressure water removes surface debris.
We need to increase the pressure on the brushes for the next batch.
All right, I'll adjust the setting now.
Keep the wires below shoulder height when moving them over.
Got it. Watch the pinch point on the trough.
The primary cutting machine begins slicing the debeaded tires into rough sections, the first stage of size reduction.
The feed rate seems stable now.
Good. Keep monitoring the output density. Attention all workers. Ensure the flow rate is optimized for the granulator intake.
The reduction rate is steady.
We are getting the coarse crumb now. The separation looks efficient. The classified rubber crumb now enters the final cleaning stage, ensuring all fine particulates are removed before drying. Material flow is steady. We're ready for the mixer. Okay, opening the lower valve now. Here, the dry black rubber granules are combined with the binder, preparing the base layer. The colored granules are mixed separately for the surface.
The mix is perfect, binder is evenly coated. Good. Ready for the molds now.
Ensure the binder coats evenly before transferring.
Looks good. We can start the transfer now.
That's the top face layer complete.
Now waiting for the black base mix. The scraping sound indicates correct tension. The granules are flowing evenly into the trough.
The mold is in position.
Engaging the press sequence now.
Pressure's holding steady at maximum load. Good. The reorganization targets are being met. There it go. Moving to cooling now. Looks good. Temperature check next.
Keep an eye on the edges, they're still a bit rough.
Yeah, I'm adjusting this one now.
The matte surface finish looks correct.
Yes, the brushing is subtle, just as required before quality control.
Okay, this one passes inspection. Good, sending it to the conveyor now.
Compression result is stable.
Flex test passed. These are good to go.
Check the alignment on the next tile. Looks good. Moving to the dryer. We use sliding motions rather than awkward lifting to ensure the stacks are stable and visually uniform before wrapping.
Make sure the edges are aligned before wrapping.
Got it. Sending the next stack now.
Okay, stack that one right here. Got it. Is this one ready for the jack? Yes, check the height first.
Pallet secured. Moving to row 7. Received. Row 7 is clear.
From discarded waste to high-quality flooring, Factory Loaded transforms old tires into durable rubber tiles.